Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing inspections in the context of Thai business visas. I thought of making this video after recently I did a recent video alert because we had some contacts at immigration, people we deal with. They're fairly routinely give us a bit of a tip-off, sort of a heads up. Hey, there's going to be a lot more inspections, especially of new business visa applicants. And an aspect of this that goes into being inspected is the fact that one may have an office. And in fact, in Thailand, in order to have a corporation and maintain a business visa and work permit through that corporation, you have to have a registered address, and that registered address is generally the office space that someone uses. Now, in the modern world, and this is where there's a little bit of disconnect between sort of Thai immigration's policies and paradigm thinking about, the way businesses should run, which is really kind of out of sync with the way businesses are really running in the world in which we live in, especially post-COVID, where people are very accustomed now to working remotely, especially the self-employed or those who own a small business. And people also in the digital age, you can have your staff elsewhere as well. This notion of having an office where everybody's at all the time, it's not exactly antiquated, but it's not the only paradigm for how to do business anymore. So again, that said, when we're dealing with a heightened inspection environment here in Thailand, it's going to come back to, they're probably going to show up at some point to your office. We have dealt with these situations in the past where immigration does want to inspect or does a surprise inspection. It can be dealt with. At the end of the day, if you're in compliance and you've been maintaining your tax returns, you've been maintaining your paperwork, it's probably not going to be that big a deal, even if you do have a surprise inspection. And even if you are a bit more of a, if you will, diffuse organization that does not necessarily need to maintain a sort of stringent office environment. Again, post-COVID, people are pretty used to remote working now, so that's not an unheard of thing. That said, inspections are something that have to be dealt with in a business visa context, so therefore it's a good idea to basically have a professional that has your back that can assist with immigration matters and also understands the sort of exigencies of how to do business in the modern world.